In this video, you will learn how to make withdrawal from your trading account in Admirals. Firstly, please log into your trader's room. You can also make it from our main web page by clicking Login button in the top right corner of the page. You will then be redirected to the login page where you will need to type your email address and password. In case you do not remember the password, you can always reset it by clicking Forgot Password. Please click Login in order to log into your trader's room. On the left side, you will find the field Transaction. After pressing it, you can choose the option Withdraw. Here, depending on your regulation and country of residence, you will find available withdrawal methods. Please note that withdrawals are made from the wallet. Therefore, in case you have funds on your trading account, you will need to perform an internal transfer in your trader's room. In order to send money with the help of wire transfer, please choose the wallet with the funds on it. Then you will need to type all your bank account details, including bank account number, in the international format called IBAN. At the end, please choose the currency for withdrawal and the amount of funds to withdraw. Then please press Confirm. In case you want to see how the funds will be proceeded, you can click on Where will my withdrawal be sent? You can also perform the withdrawal with the help of payment systems like Skrill, Neteller, PayPal, but only in case you have also deposited with the help of them. For this, you will need to choose the trading account or wallet to withdraw money from, the amount of withdrawal, the currency, and your email address. Then the system will redirect you to the relevant page to log in to the payment system and to confirm the withdrawal. Now you know how to make a withdrawal in Admirals. Please feel free to contact us with any questions via global@admiralmarkets.com.